Ciao everyone! Today we are having a wonderful evening at my friend's Beppe place. And the most interesting thing is that he will share his knowledge of how to open oysters correctly. Beppe, these oysters are wonderful! Applause for Beppe! Tonight we are here at Bakery de Beppe. I cooked some mussels and pepper, on the occasion that our wonderful pharmacist friend from Naples arrived. Thank you. Also with us this evening is our wonderful, beautiful friend, lawyer Lille Calangela. Now, Maestro Beppe will perform on a great show and opening oysters and will show us how to do it correctly. Let's go! Please, ladies and gentlemen, follow me. We are here. I invite you to come with me. Give me the knives. Give me a container with the water and the salt. Water and salt, yes, but not the ones Cilentano, since about in the sun. Put ice here and put salt in another container. Place the oyster on a cutting board, concave side down, and place a cloth over it. Place the palm of your left hand on the oyster. Point the pointed part of the oyster toward your knife hand.
Un pochettino pizzicoso di sale.
If you are interested in how long you should open oysters, preferably half an hour before tasting, maximum 1 hour. The first water should be drained and the clam should be given time to recreate its juice. Signor Beppe, do you have any advice on how to open oysters? The advice is this. First of all, the oysters should be cold. There are those who open them from the side. I like to open them from the back. Look. Afterwards, it should be removed from the shell, this one. Usually, when they are open, half of the shells are thrown away, and the other half is left here. The oyster must be whole, after which it should be washed in ice water with salt, so that the oyster remains whole, understand? It's whole, do you see? Not cut in half. You understand? All seafood should be cut and peeled in such a way that there is never half left on one side and the other half on the other. It must be disconnected first. Did you catch it? Even if this is an oyster and not exactly class A, the manufacturer is not top-notch. Do you see? Just as everything stays on one side, it must stay on one side. And all the sand remains in the water with ice. Do you see the remains? Here we are talking about oysters number 3, friends. These oysters are, let's say, of average quality. But there are also oysters that cost much more. These oysters are commercial. Look. Do you see? We need to cook it so that the sauce is creamy. Everything is fine here. Let's get back to the oysters. Lawyer, good evening. Just look.
Riprendi il posto dove l'apri. scusa.
Lei c'è sempre.
Mettiamo qua. È una...
Col guantino.
Ready. Please
Vai.
begin.
Vai, andate.
Chi è tuo?
No, questo è tuo, dai.
Mio.
Io una foto a questo le faccio volentieri perché veramente.
Vabbè, a posto.
A posto, vai!
Come là?
Yeah.
Chi è il... Quando uno ce l'ha portata...
We really like this wine.
Mangia.
Ma lo mangiate, mangiate.
Usually, when oysters are eaten in any average restaurant, they always seem like a little sweet. But in fact, this is because they wash it with tap water. And these need to be washed with ice water and salt, so that they do not lose the taste of the sea. That's right, I can taste the sea, and they should be like that. Because how do you drink a good champagne if you don't have the taste of the sea in your mouth after eating an oyster? Very good, Beppe. Look, brava Chicca. Ah, she decided with champagne. Georgie, we're online.
Giorgi?
Fantastic, fantastic. My runny nose even went away. But also, how they open. It is important not to leave half on one side and half on the other. Cheers! Beppe, these oysters were great. Applause for Beppe.
Ti piace questo vino?
Maria Georgie, do you like this wine? This is a very delicate wine. I really like it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.